This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य शनिवासरः अथवा मन्दवासरः ज्येष्ठ कृष्ण अष्टमी दिनांक 13 जून 2020 सहस्रयोगम् अमृतकल्पना शङ्खं चक्रं गदौघां दशतमृतघटं चारुदोर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिहृद्यां शुकपरिविलसन् मौलिमं भोजनेतरं कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं तं निखिलगदवनः प्रौढदावाग्निलीलं ब्रह्मणो हि समारब्धा मात्रेयाद्येषु पूजिताम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे माधवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टाज्ञानी दृष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापको विषक्श्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यत्कार्यं प्रतनोति सः समृद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं न प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षं वीक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत्प्रेक्षत् मुनिसत्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमाम्यहम्। तर्हि तिक्तकं या पठितम् अद्य तावत् महातिक्तकघृतम् सप्तशतः पर्पटकः शम्याकः कटुका वचा त्रिफला पद्मकं पाठा रजन्यो सारिवैकणे निम्बचन्दन यष्ट्याभ्य विशालेन्द्र यवामृताः किराततिक्तकसेव्यं वृषो मूर्वा शतावरी पटोलातिविषामुस्ता त्रायन्ति धन्वयासकैः तैर्जलैरष्टगुणे सर्पी द्विगुणः आमलकीरसं द्विगुणम् आमलकीरसं सिद्धं तिक्तां महातिक्तं गणैरभ्यधिकं मतं गुणैः पाहिजे तर्हि सप्तक्षदादीनां क्वाथः करणीयः तैर्जले अष्टगुणे सर्पिः द्विगुणम् आमलकीरसम् 8 parts of this jala and द्विगुण आमलकीरस सिद्धं तिक्तान् महातिक्तं गणैरभ्यधिकं स्मितम् so this is गुणैः अभ्यधिकं मतम् सप्तपर्णी पर्पटक शम्माक वारगवदर कोटक कटुक वक्षा त्रिफला पद्मक पाठार गण्यौ हरिद्रा दारु हरिद्रा सारिवे द्वे कण्णे पिप्पली गज पिप्पली कणे निंब चंदन यष्ट्याभ यष्टिमधु विशाला इंद्रायण मूल इंद्रयव अमृता गुरुची करा तिक्त सेव्य उशीर वृषवासा मुर्वा शतावरी पटोल अतिविश मुस्ता त्रायंती धन्वयास जल 8 parts amalaki rasa 2 parts prepare Grutta with the above drugs with kalka sneha and dravadravya taken in the specified quantity. There is no mention about this kalka over here. Okay, yes. Patola Nimbakatuka, this is Karsha, this is Kwatha. तैर्जले अष्टगुणे सर्पिः द्विगुण आमलकीरसम्. So this still remains a question whether Kalka is to be added on to this or not. Here he mentions Kalka, Sneha and Davadravya taken in the specific quantities. So this will be 8 times of Sneha Dravya and 10 times of Sneha Dravya. And I said there is no mention of Kalka. Might be the previous Kalka has to be taken. Generally in this condition, the previous Kalka is taken. Therapeutically, Mahatiktaka Krita is superior to Tiktaka Krita. In the manufacture of Mahatiktaka Krita, there is no necessity of preparing Kashaya as water and Amalki Rasa are directly mixed with Krita. So he is saying that these are to be used as Tairjale Ashtagune Sarpi Dvigunam Amalki Rasam. So these are to be used as only Kalka Dravyas. And Amalki Rasa, double of the quantity of the Grita and Jala Ashtaguna. It's a bit strange. We may try to see part in the Vakata that will be better. तो वाकट काढतेस का किंवा चरक काढला असेल पंचतिक्त गुग्गुलुवृत निम्बामृता वृषपटोल निदिक्तिकानां भागान् पृथक् दशफलान् विपच्येत् घटेकाम् अष्टांशशेषितरसेन पुनश्च तेन प्रस्थङ्कृतस्य विपच्येत् विभागकल्कै पाठाविडङ्गसुरदार् गजोपकुल्यात् भिक्षारनागरनिशा विशुचव्यकुष्ठैः तेजोवती मरुच्छवत्सकदीप्यकाग्नि रोहिण्यरुष्करवचाकणमूलयुक्तैः मञ्जिष्ठयाति विषया यवान्या संशुद्ध गुग्गुलफलैरपि पञ्चसङ्ख्यैः. So पुष्टुचिकित्सा निम्बामृता वृषपटोल निदिग्धिकानां भागान् पृथक् दशफलान् विपच्येत् घटेकाम्. So 10 pala each of these to be cooked in one ghata of jala. Ashtamsha sheshitarasena punashchate. So when it remains 1/8, then prasthangutasya vipachet pichubhaga kalkai. So patha vidangadi, one pichu, one karsha, and these are to be taken as kalpadravyas and prasthabhuta. पाठा विडंग सुरदार गजोपकुल्या भिक्षारनागर निशाम विशिष्टव्यपुष्टै तेजोवती मरुचवत्सकदीप्यकामिनी रोहिण्यरुष्कर वचाकणमूलयुक्तैः मञ्जिष्ठयात् विषया यवान्या संशुद्ध गुग्गुलफलैरपि पञ्चसङ्ख्यैः. So पंचफल is गुग्गुल. So in Charaka, there is a clear mention of Kalka Chaturbhagha Jalam Ashtagunam Rasvamrita Phanana. Vigano Vritat Padayaha Tatsarve Paye Siddham. So this is to be used as Saptachadadi to be used as Kalka, and Amalakarasa is double of the Vrita, and Jalam Ashtagunam, and Jala 8 times. Okay. So this is to be used as Kalka only, that is sure. तत्सेवितं विधमति प्रबलं समीरं सन्धिस्तिमज्जगत अपि व्यक्तिमतमपि अथ पुष्टं ईतृ नाडी व्रणार्बुदगत्पकन्दरगण्डमाला जत्रूर्व गदगुल्म गुदोत्थमेहान्. So तत्सेवितं विधमति प्रबलं samir. So it destroys or it conquers prabala samira, prabala matadosha. Then sandhi asti majjagatam api, which is sandhi asti majjagata api kushtam idru, and the kushta also of this category are spread into sandhi asti majja. So particularly there is psoriatic arthritis as well, and this is quite troublesome to treat. Nadi Vrana Arbuda Bhagandhara Gandamala. So this is also very specific Palashruti. Jatrurva Sarvagada. So we are not trying to use this in Jatrurva Sarvagada. Gulma Gudotha Mehan, Gulma, Arsha and Meha. So Palashruti is quite wide, and Kalkal mentioned in Charakapati, yes, that is what I looked at, and there is a clear-cut mention of Kalka in that. यक्ष्मा रुचि श्वसन पीनस कास शोफ पांड रोग मद विद्र दिवात रक्त. यक्ष्मा अरुचि श्वास पीनस कास शोफ पांडु रोग रुद्रोग पांडु रोग मद विद्र दिवात रक्त. So Falashruti is quite wide, and generally I am trying to use it in the Vata Vyadhi or in Kushta, but considering Sarvajatru Urdhvagata Gada, so this might be used particularly in cancers. That is what I feel, oral cancers particularly. And this either associated with jihva or mandible is involved in many cancers. And cheek, that is the thing, particularly in squamous cell carcinoma. Then there is further radiation done, and there are wounds, open wounds, which are also very difficult. So Nadi Vrana is also there. So I would start using this. Now Panchatikta Gugulu Bhruta is also available, and Panchatikta Bhruta Gugulu is also available in tablet form. So generally I prescribe Panchatikta Gugulu Bhruta, and tablets I dispense by my clinic. And Panchatikta Gugulu Tiktaka Kashaya is also available, and Gugulu Tiktaka Bhruta is also available. So Gugulu Tiktaka Kashaya might be used in all this. Patha Vidangas Suradaru Gajopakulya Gajapipali Vikshara Sajikshara Evakshara Nagara Nisha Mishi Chavya Kushta Tejovati Maricha Vatsaka Dityaka Agni Rohini Arushkara. So Ballataka is also there. Many uses it in cancer in Kerala. So that is good. So immediately either for this urdhva throat cancer or cheek cancer, tongue cancer, tonsil cancer, these might be used. Available as Gugulu Tiktaka Gruta. And even Panchatikta Gugulu Gruta is also available by the name. And Nimma Prutadi Kashai is also there. So this we may try to consider. So Bhallataka is there. Vacha, Kanamula, Palimula, Manjishtha, Ativisha, Visha, Yavani, one party, and full 5 parts. I have not observed any adverse effect due to Bhallataka in this. Which pharmacy's Gurta tab do you recommend, sir? Generally, it is ABS now. Previously, I used to go for AVP as such. But now ABS medicines are available in our nearby shop. Guggulutik Taka Taila is also available. So that is good. So varieties of these are available. So even Nimbamrutadi Kashai is also available. So let us try to use this. Padashruti is quite wide as such. अस्थिगतवात मज्जागतवात कुष्ठ. So kushthamapi idru. So asthimajjagata kushta is also there. It's not only kushta, but asthimajjagata kushta. Nimbamrutasam is also available. Which pharmacy oil is available? So it might be ABS. Yeah. And we are not, Arbuda is also there. There is a direct mention of Arbuda. Okay, so Bagandhara and Arbuda both are there. Nadivarna is also there. Gandamala, Urdu Jatrukata Roga, Gulma, Buddha Roga, Prameha, Yakshma, Aruchi, Shvasa, Penasa, Kasa, Rudroga, Panduroga, Mother, Vitrati, Vatra. So formulation for Vata Roga, Gugulu will become more potent when combined with Brita and acts as Tridosha Nashaka, Braneshodhaka, and Ropaka. So this is peculiarly useful for Shodhana and Ropana both. Google Tiktaka Kashaya also available, ABS. So either Google Tiktaka Kashaya or maybe Nimamrutadi Kashaya, that is the name that I know available. Indukanta Gruta. Putikadaru Dashamula Dakashaya Siddham Sakshira Shakpalayutam Krutamindukantam Vatamaya Shaya Mahodara Gulma Shuda Nimnonnata Jwaraharam Balavardhanancha Nimnonnata. So Shatpala Kalka, Pipali Mula Chavichitraka Nagara and Saindava Lavana. These are Kashaya Dravyas. And Utikaranja Dayadaru Dashamula Kashaya. And Shira is also there. Prepare Vrita with the above drugs, that is Kalka, Sneha, and other get taken in the specified quantity. Vataroga, Kshaya, Mahodara, Gulma, Shula, Nimnonnata jvara. So Nimnonnata would mean really going down and coming up or something like that. So fluctuating. Here he is saying recurring, recurrent. हाँ हाँ ऐसा ही बताया अष्टांग हृदय वातव्य चिकित्सा सेम रेफरेंस या निम्नामृतादि कषाय is of first line of Patha. Gugula Tikta Kashaya is a whole Patha. Okay, that is fine. So we have to use Gugula Tikta Kashaya then. Sir, Gugula Tikta मध्ये वापरायचा गुग्गुळ दशमूलमध्ये शोधन केल्यास शूल वातघ्न कर्म अधिक चांगले करेल. Generally, the Shuddhi of Gugula is being done with Triphala and Guruchi. So, maybe we think of this. Along with Triphala Guruchi, we may add Dashamula. There is a bit controversy about Dashamula. What we get in the name of Dashamula is very controversial. And these are not roots, that is one thing. And mostly it is Kantakari and Gokshura that is more in quantity. Oil from Vaidyaratnam Pharmacy. Okay. So Panchatikta Gugula oil or something like that. त्रिफळा काढामध्ये सध्या गुगुल शोधन करतात. Yeah, but at Bert Sir Clinic, we used to do it with Triphala and Guruchi, both. So whenever I have done Gugulu Shuddhi in my student food or something, I have done it in this Triphala and Guruchi, etc. Datar Guruchi used to do it with only Triphala. That is for sure. So we may add even the Shamula to this and try to use this. Where to use tablet form and where with the sir? Actually, it is the convenience. A tablet, generally my dose is very low, so I'm crushing tablets and putting powder into puddings, and that dose is just 60 milligram or even less. And if you really want to give higher dose or Gruta as Anupana, then it's better to go for Gugulu Gruta as such. Basic Gugulu Tiktaka Gruta, that might be the thing. And in Amavata, I am using this, and even in Kushta, psoriatic arthritis, this is a better choice to use. And since it is containing Bhallataka as well, and has a Falashruti of Arbuda, so this should be used even in cancers. And in that condition, we may put into Pudi. Gulu, like that. So Vataroga Kshaya Mahodara Gulma Shula Nimnonnata Jvara Balya. So this is Indukanta Gruta. And Shatpala is this Shadushana as such. So we Indukanta Gruta is also commonly used, particularly in Kerala. That is known. So I tried to use it in some patients, but now with this information, I would start using it. That will be better. Here, Gulma Gudaroga means what? two texts. Buddharog is Arsha mostly. Even you go for Parikartika, but better to use for Arsha. In a very rare case of infertility, I have used Panchatikta Gulu. She was diagnosed as Kshaya plus Arbuda with Vata Kapha Anubandha, and also pelvic infection was suspected. Also having adhesions of posterior wall of uterus with rectum, was also having ovarian mass or uterine fibroid. Don't exactly remember as it is 1.5 years back. She conceived, though other medicines were also part of treatment. Later, Panchatikta Gurtagulu was continued in pregnancy till 4th or 5th month. Huh. Pregnancy continued well and delivered too. This is again a controversial issue, which medicines can be used in pregnancy and which cannot be used. Since this is containing many Ushna Tikshna Dravyas, even Ballataka, this may not be considered worth in pregnancy. But anyway, you have treated and it has been successful, so that is fine. In Kashaya or Kashaya tab, there is addition of preservatives and binder material, but not in Ghruta. That is true. So this binding material is not at all required. Actually, if we make traditionally tablets, then there is no need of putting a binding agent as such. But now there is no manual making of boutiques, and Sudarshan Ayurved Pharmacy was doing it for many years. But I think now also they have switched to tablet machine as such. So it's better to do by hand, and if we apply little Ghruta to our fingers, then you can make Butika by your hands. And this can be perfect if you practice it. Then this can be perfect. So better to use the traditional way for here. Till what duration must such Gugulu be used, especially in cancer? It is very difficult to say right now. It all depends on the relief in the symptoms and improvement of the condition or something. And if the patient is tolerating it well, then there should not be any problem as such. We can continue. You have to see the season as such. Maybe in Grishma and Sharad, this may not be used so much. Anyway, this Indukanta Ghruta is fluctuating fever, Balavardhanancha. This is again important aspect. And Sakshira. So there is one mention of Kshira Shatpala Ghruta in Rajayakshma. And that is very well used. And there can be a preparation with Dhanyamla or Kanji. Then Mastu Shatpal, not Dhanyamla Kanji. Mastu Shatpal is also there. And that I have used in few cases. But this seems to be a very good for Meha. Vatamaya Kshaya Meha Dara, even in Kshaya, Gulma Shula. So this these are all in Shula Prashamanagana. So for Shula, this Indukanta Grita should be good. So I may start using it particularly in cancers of the abdomen, maybe colon cancer, maybe pancreatic, maybe liver, and others. When the is one of the important aspects. If feeding machine is used for gugulu preparation, there is no need of binding agent. One of my friend doing this. Okay. Can we use Panchatikta Gugulu in leukemia? Difficult to say. Sandhya Asti Majjagatam, that is also there. And in leukemia, the condition is associated with bone marrow. So we may consider it as Asti Majjagatam. And in that scenario, this might be a choice. I'm generally asking them to go for bone marrow soup as such, if the patient is comfortable with non-vegetarian food. And that helps. Panchatikta Kurta, Gugulu works well with Danta Roga, especially dental pain, dental krumi. While undergoing total tooth removal for denture fixation of my mother, I used only Panchatikta Krita Gugulu for pain relieving and wound healing. It worked just fine. This is also good. I have used Chandraprabha in this scenario, and Chandraprabha also works. Even just keep it in mouth, chewing it is also fine. And no antibiotic, no anti-inflammatory use. So that is good. So this can be done. पायरिया मध्ये पण चांगला उपयोग होतो. Okay. So may start using it like that. There was a case, a lady of 42 years having Udgar Pravrutti on touching anywhere on the upper body. She was given Shatphala Gruta and got relief. Now, these patients are also commonly seen. Diagnosed Amashayagata. Yeah, but it keeps on spreading all over the body. And whenever you touch any part of the body, the patient gets worse. And strange enough, Yogozoshi sir has used 20 tablets of Sanshamani Vati at a time, 4 times a day for this kind of marker. And it's a very high dose, but it works. Solotker sir also had the such kind of experience. He also used these tablets, 20 tablets 4 times a day. And surprisingly, there was Vata coming to Posha and getting out, that the patient was unable to go out, and he was constantly passing gas. And after 2 days, everything subsided, and patient got totally relieved. So the question is, why this much high dose of Sanshimani? And in both cases, only Sanshimani was used, no other medicine was used. Still, I am not dared to use this dose. I have given 4 5 tablets, 4 to 5 times a day. In such conditions, though it works, it is not that drastic result that we are getting. So we may have to think about this. कटिशूल etc. मणक्याचे विकार, गानुशूल कुष्ठ मध्ये लोकल अप्लिकेशन पंचतिक्त गुगुल वापरतो. दुष्ट प्रतिष्ठाय मध्ये पण. दुष्ट प्रतिष्ठाय is a different issue. Local application I have not used like this, but good idea. So we may try to do that. If there is Majjakshaya or Mausakshaya, then I am using this Mahasneha Pichu, and that works. But this may be used Panchatikta Guguluguruta. A female aged 43 had a lot of bloating, had reduces with medicine but comes back again. And can Gruta help? History of Parikartika and stress. This will help. So this is Amashaya Gatavata Shadharan Churna is there that can be used. And in some cases I have even used Surna Sukshika and Pravakancha. There is a Pittanubandha associated with. But you can choose this, and we have to see about Koshta Shakha Gati. So from Shakha the Vayu should come back to Koshta, and it is surprisingly Amashaya and not Pakvashaya, particularly when the patient is getting Udgara. So Shadharan is also one of the choices, and these kinds of Kruta can also be one of the choice. So anyway, many Vaidyas have many good experiences, and it's good that they are sharing their experiences. So that is fine. So keep on doing this. I also learn from this and start using. In Sushruta, Shadharana Churna is in Kushta Adhikara. Abhaya is replaced by Dargya. Yeah, that is still another issue. Whenever I am referring from Vagbata, Shadharan, Vata Vyadi Chikitsa, Amashaya Gata Vata. And there is a difference. In place of Abhaya, there is Darvi in Kushta. Bavadekar once talked about Kuttaja Kutki combination that is present in Shadhar. And he said that this is specifically for Amashayagata dosha. Now we have to see whether this Kuttaja and Kutki combination in varieties of medicines is there. In Shadharana, it is there, and then this is Amashayagata Vata and Kushtha, if we are thinking about, then it might be the Samprapti going through Amashaya or something like that. It is in Ashtanga Rudhaya. Kushta Chikitsa also. Okay. In Vata Vyadi, there is a reference of Majja Sneha in Palashruti. Yes. Prakshina Majjanaha is mentioned that Sneha can be useful in Basti for Majjakshaya. So there is definitely Majjakshaya, and this can be used in Basti for Majjakshaya. There is Indrayava. Yeah. So Indrayava is Kuttaja Bija and Kutki. So this combination of Kutki and Kuttaja, maybe he talked about Kuttaja, he didn't talk about Indrayava. But let us consider it. And try to understand the Samprapti, with amashaya, that will be better. Gugulu Tikta Kagruta used for Matra Basti, Kshira Basti. Yeah, particularly Narendra Pedse has worked on Tiktaka Kshira Basti, not Tikta Gugulu Gruta, Gugulu Tikta Kagruta, but Ma Tikta Kagruta and Guluchi Siddha Kshira Basti for Sandigatava. Of course, this has to be given in Nirama Avastha. Initially, Langan Pachan has to be done. Basta Kshira Sarpimshe Tiktako nature, this is the sutra about that Vatan Vyadi. And this works, there is no doubt about that. But in Samavastha, we may consider Gugulu Tiktaka or Matra Basti or Kshira Basti. Generally, in that scenario, 20 ml of Gugulu Tiktaka with 100 ml of Kshira, Guluchi Siddha Kshira is used. That is what I try to do. And this is for Shramana only. This is not expected to create any Shodhana as such. But this works fine in Vata Vyadi, that is seen. So we may have to think about this. Secondly, now there are many cases of osteoporosis as such, and vitamin D3 deficiency is very common. The root cause of which is non-availability of sunlight, because we are not traveling in sunlight, and even the cows, those were wandering in sunlight, has stopped. So that is why there is vitamin D3 deficiency all over the world, and even in India when the sunlight is available abundantly. So the basic treatment would be going into sunlight and or at least using desi cow milk and ghee to wander in sunlight. But the osteoporosis associated with this can be treated with Ghruta as such. Ghruta contains vitamin D3, as what they say, and it is soluble. Vitamin D3 is soluble in Ghruta. So this is a good concept to use in osteoporosis. Gugulu Tiktaka Ghruta to be used in Basti as such. षड्धरण चूर्णातील द्रव्य पाहिली तर वातवृद्धी करणार दिसतात. आमाशयस्थ कफाचे शोधन करून तेथील वाताचे अनुलोमन करून उपयोगी ठरत असावेत. Might be possible. So I asked one question to Kolatkar sir long back, that in Vata Vyadhi, most commonly used rasa is Tikta rasa, which is Vatavardhak. And how come there is so much of use of Tikta rasa in the Vata Vyadhi or something like that? The answer given was in Apatarpanotha, in Santarpanotha Vata Prakopa, Margavrodha, Tikta rasa is fine. That is one aspect, but then Katu rasa is more useful for that scenario. And secondly, for Vata Prakopa in Sukshma Srotasa, only Tikta rasa has the capacity to reach that Vayu in Sukshma Srotas. So, Bastai Kshira Sarpimshi Tiktakopahitani cha, it has to enter the Asthi, which is Sushira, but basically it's Parthiva Dravya. And Tikta rasa and Ghruta, this combination particularly is useful in reaching the Sukshma Srotas and pacifying the Vata dosha over there. So, how Tikta Kshira Basti acts as Vata Shamana, as Tikta is Vata Vruddhikara. So that is what I had asked, and the answer, as I said, I received from Kolatkar sir, that I have shared. So we may have to think about this. Abhayarishtam or Eranda Brushta Haritaki effective in Udara Pravritti on touching. Though Shraddharana and Hingu Achati Churnam are supposed to be good in Amashaya Gatava. So Abhayarishtam I have not used, but maybe used. They had to see the Kalushruti of Abhayarishta, and the Adhikara of Abhayarishta is, I suppose, Harsha. Maybe we have to confirm. And Shaddaran and Hinguvachadi. Hinguvachadi is also commonly used by many Vaidyas. I also use. And we may have to differentiate between Hinguvachadi, Hinguvashtaka Churna, Lavan Bhaskar, Shaddarana, then Shankavati, as such, Shivakshar Pachana, etc. etc. There are so many drugs available like this. And by tradition, many Vaidyas use a particular drug. That is the issue. So I have in my mind to compare all this. Maybe when in Churna Kalpana we see about this. Tikta and Sneha. So in all Srotarodha Vata condition, can we keep Samshamani Vati in small dose, sir? We can. But what I feel, try to diagnose every case on Ayurvedic grounds and then arrive at it. So just don't go for this for this for this or something like that. So in all these conditions, whenever there is Rotarodha, Katurasa is a choice. Most often we are using this Trikatu or Shadushana, Panchakola, which are all Katurasatmaka, Ushnavirya, and Maricha is particularly Pramati, and that can be used. And we may go for Asavarishta Sankalpana, which is Vyavaya and Vikasi. That is also fine. Osteoporosis मध्ये जर लॅक्टोज इंटॉलरन्स असेल तर कसा विचार करावा, कारण इथे क्षीर आदींचा वापर करणं शक्य नाही. Actually, there are no cases reported more with desi cow milk for lactose intolerance. Very few cases might be there, but generally there is no lactose intolerance with desi cow milk. And for breast milk also there is no case reported of lactose intolerance for breast milk or something like that. So this Jersey cow milk is not milk at all. The cow is not cow at all. So that is not milk at all. So this is something asatnya. So we have to think about that. And we can safely use desi cow milk most of the times. We have to see if there is lactose intolerance in somebody or not. Vagbata mentioned. Vagbata mentioned woman of first in Amashaya Gatavata, followed by administration of Shaddharana Churna, Agantu Shamayet Dosham Sthanina Pratikateva. So Ruksha Purvastha Sneha Purvasthana Nurodata, that is also given about Sneha Svedana. Ruksha Purva Snigdha Sved to be given in Amashaya Gatavata. So, but there is a va. Agantum Shamaya Doshana Sthanina Pratikateva, but this va says that even it can be the other way. We have to treat the Agantu first and then maybe Sthani. And as such, it all depends on the dominance of the dosha. So, we have to see what is more strong. If Vata is more strong, then we may have to treat Vata. If Kapha is strong, then and Vata is Anubandhi in that situation, then we may go for only Kapha or something like that. Initially, maybe Vamana or something like that. So Kaphe Vidadyat Vamane Vamanam Sanyogi va Kapholmani. If there is Kapholmana Sanyoga, Kapha Pradhan and Vata less, then we may go for Vamana as well. So चर शर्द शर्दितव्य यथाक्रमम same of Sushruta. Okay. Can we say that Tiktarasa is for Gamitva to the Asti Dhatu, whereas Bilk and Grita is the Vata Shavana? Also, then would there not be better choice for Vata? For Majja, Grita is a better choice. There is, of course, Taila that can be useful. But Taila is useful up to Asti. Gandha Taila is Gandha Taila. It's not Gurta. But when we go to Majja, either we have to go for Majja Sneha or we may go for Gurta, because Shukra, for Shukra again it is Gurta. That is the thing. There was one patient with Udgar Bahulya for many years with some relief with medicines. In the end, he was treated with Pijitil by Dopeshwar Sir with a permanent relief after Pijitil. When asked, he said Pijitil was needed as the Amashay related Nadi was going to become very Shushka. Amashay going. If we would not have performed this, I was not able to understand at that time. What you say, what is your say on this, sir? Will ask Dopeshwar sir since sir once when I meet him next time. Actually, when Sarvangagata Vata is there, then we have to use Sarvangadhara or something like that. And that will pacify and bring it to the kosher. And if it is in Pakvashaya, then we are giving Gandharvastadi Kashaya, so it is inhibited out. Or Gandharvastadi Taila, that's it. But if it is Anamashaya, then it may come out to Udgar. That is quite possible. So we have to think about this. And Sarvangagata Vata, external treatment all over the body, is a best choice. There is no doubt. And the dosha will come back to its original sthana in kosher and will be eliminated from this. So anyway, I was just remembering one of this Amashaya Gata Vata and Pakvashaya Gata Kapha. In Pravahika, Vayu Pravruddham Vishitam Balatham Dudaktastat Ahitashanas. This is the Samprapti. When I was in second year, we had a full question on Pravahika, 20 marks. And there are just 2-3 stanzas, nothing more than that. So I remembered those stanzas, but what to write for 20 marks? At least 4-5 pages have to be filled up. So I was in puzzle what to do. Then I started in a very different way writing. So since this is not a separate disease mentioned, it comes under Atisara Pravahika. So in Atisara Vidana, Pravahika in the end has been given. So though there are no reasons given for Pravahika, we can consider through Adhyaya Adhikarana Tantra Yukti that the causes of Atisara can be taken from Pravahika. So I started writing causes of Atisara. And then let us turn towards the Samprapti. Vayu pravruddho jitam nichitam balasam. So there is accumulation of kapha first, and then Vayu gets increased, and that brings that kapha to the Pakvashaya. Now Pakvashaya is the sthana of Vata, and kapha is Aguntu over there. And now Vayu is Ruksha and kapha is Snigdha. And with this combination, it becomes sticky. The kapha becomes sticky. So this I had learned from Nanal sir's lecture in our college. And then Pravahatalpam Bhosho Malakam. Bhosha Pravahataha Alpam Malakam. There is a very strange अन्वय of this. So we have to do Pravahana many times, and there is very little kapha that is coming out. Then this is Vata Pradhan. And if the Pravahana is Alpa but the kapha is more, then it is Kapha Pradhanya or something like that. So based on that, one has to consider the treatment. Pakvashaya Satailehi Vishina Avatishtate. So if it is Vata Pradhanya, then Sneha Basti is the best option. Or many people use Eranda Sneha with Shunti Kwan. Now Shunti, particularly in this, is very good because it is Katurasa Ushnavirya but Madhura Vipaka. So it pacifies kapha in Amasha, it pacifies Vata dosha. In Pakvashaya is Grahi Shulagni. So Shunti is a choice of drug, particularly in Pravalika. And if it is Vata Pradhanya, then Arenda Sneha along with Shuntik Vata is given, and that subsides it very quickly. So with this all I wrote, and Shama Sathe was examiner. When I went for oral, he had my paper on his table. And then he asked me, so in Pravahika, which dosha should be given more pradhanya or something like that. I was a little bit puzzled, but I said Vata is to be given pradhanya. Then he said, why? I asked why. I said there is a pravruddha. So prakarshena vruddha pravruddha. Prakarsha of Vata dosha that has been said. He agreed. But this was the first time that the papers were examined by the examiner. He had brought it at the time of oral, and my answer was quite different. I wrote 4 or 5 pages on this, and definitely it was a very different answer. But fortunately, he had read that, and that was very good or something like that. So I also seen Dahana Chikitsa being given for Amashaya Gatavata at Dopeshwar sir's clinic. So this again will depend on particular conditions and may be used as you are saying. Anyway, we conclude today and continue on Monday. आयुर्वेद प्रकांडो निगदित इह हि शल्यतंत्र प्रधानः शिष्येभ्यः शाश्वतोऽयं निखिलजनकृपा व्याप्तचित्तेन येन आयुर्वेदस्य वाञ्छन् पुनरपि भुवने ताञ्च सुष्ठु प्रतिष्ठां श्रेष्ठं धन्वन्तरिन्तं प्रणमति च सदा वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनं वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम् विरम्यते व्याख्यानव्यापारः परश्वः पुनरपि मिलिष्यामः।